A student pulls a 3.2 kilogram wooden block across a horizontal 12 kilogram wooden plank. She applies the force of 8 newtons to the right. The block moves at a steady constant speed of 4 meters per second. What is the coefficient of kinetic friction between the block and the plank? All right, we're gonna begin by drawing what is happening here. We have a block that is 3.2 kg. We have a plank that is 12 kg. She applies the force of 8 newtons to the right. So applied force is 8 newtons to the right. And do we know anything else from here? Okay, so this is taken completely from this, okay? Now we can fill in the blanks because we know that for every reaction, there is an equal but opposite reaction, which means because we have an applied force coming to the right, we're going to have a friction force going to the left. And it's going to be equal but opposite in direction. So it will be also 8 newtons, but coming this way. All right. Now we have to find what else we know. We know that there's always going to be a normal force pointing upward. F sub n for normal force. And normal force is always going to be in newtons. We have 3.2 kg right here, so we need to turn 3.2 kg into newtons, and all we do is to move the decimal one place to the right. So it will have a value of 32 newtons, okay? So there is 32 newtons here. And then there's also 32 newtons going down. All right. Now, let's find the coefficient of kinetic friction. We need to recall that the formula for friction is FF equals mu K times Fn. This is the formula for dynamic friction. Okay. Now, we want to plug and chug whatever information we have here into this formula and solve for the coefficient of kinetic friction. So we have friction force, which is 8. I'm going to write it right here. 8 equal to mu K. This is not an M, it's the mu symbol, okay? Times the normal force, which is 32. Okay, 32. Now we divide both sides, solve for mu K. You get mu K equals 8 over 32. What about your calculator? You have 8 over 32 1/4, which is 0.25. So you have 0.25. This is your coefficient of kinetic friction between the block and the plank.